Good morning, dancing.
Good morning, dancing. Dancing, dancing. Dancing, dancing.
Can you say good morning, Ian? Ian, can you say good morning?
Dancing, dancing, dancing.
Well, hi.
Dancing. Can I see? Can I see?
Can you say good morning and good morning?
Okay.
Look, there's your sister. You see sister? Why don't you show some dancing?
Dancing, 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 dance. Dancing.
Girls.
Dancing.
Where's Luke?
He's over there.
How about clapping?
Dancing, dancing.
Good, Anna.
Dancing, dancing.
Roxanne. Roxanne. All right. Dancing. Can you dance? Hi, Luke. Good morning, Luke. Can you say good? Oh. All right. All right. Wow, good dancing, girls and boys. We're a very quiet house, aren't we? No pillow fighting.
Dancing, 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 dancing.
All right, guys.
Ooh. Thank you.
Can you say bye?
Bye. Bye.
Girls, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh.